You're supposed to start it.
I'm supposed to start
Yeah.
it. Oh, this is the intro.
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
What are we doing? I don't know. I never know what we're doing. But today we're gonna make something really cool. And so now this is when the intro song.
This one song. What's the intro song?
Intro song. Now we're back, and we're like, and we gotta be that we're happy, and everything is cool. Try not to hold hands with me.
Sorry, my bad.
So one of our buddies has a couple of pizza restaurants, and he has some event pizza equipment. He's going to bring it over here. We're going to have a sesh. He's going to make pizzas, and we're going to make a fun obstacle for the event. Maybe that's the intro.
That's a good intro.
Now the music goes.
I like that. I like that.
We got a new face here today.
I'm Bennett.
This is Craig.
Oh, I'm Craig.
No, this is Bennett. This is my nephew. I'm Mexican, and if you have cousins and they have kids, then those kids are your nephews, and you're their uncle.
I'm also Mexican.
So that makes me his uncle.
Yeah.
Anyways, they're visiting from out of town, and he's going to help me today. So it's going to be real simple. We're basically going to make a pizza slice with some remnant material that we have. I'm thinking it'll be something like this. No, it'll be like that. And
Okay.
so it'll be something like this. Yeah. This will be 3-inch pipe, kind of the big part of the crust. We have some remnant 3x1 rectangular tube. So basically this will be like a mani pad, 3-inch pipe that we can grind, try to make it high enough so you can board slide as well. This will be tapered in the front, so you can ride up it instead of having to ollie if you don't want to ollie. Mm-hmm. But this is basically it. I don't know what we're going to do for the inside yet. This might have cross members for support, and this will either be just plywood or maybe 16 gauge, sheet metal. Ironclad, thank you for always taking care of my hands, keeping my hands safe. We'll work on this project later.
Yeah, man, get a signature model. Actually, I was just seeing if the large fits me. I got like some scissors or something.
There might be extra larges in there too.
A large fits me perfect. I just got to cut it.
Yeah, you don't have a pocket knife?
No, man.
Dude, you have to always have a pocket knife.
Yeah. Does that go in the other glove?
No, that goes in your pocket. So our welding table isn't big enough for this entire pizza slice. So let's move this over to that side. Let's see, pick it up. You go that way, because we'll have my left side in front. Here, grab the other one.
Okay.
We're gonna set this up. Why don't you cut this one to be the same length as this one?
Sure.
Okay. Put on your safety glasses.
Where did my spy safety glasses
go? The ones
go?
I just gave you. All right. Put those on.
Thank you.
Here, cameraman.
Thank you.
$13, $16 right here. I don't think there's going to be trucks wider than 9 inches that's going to be skating this, so we'll be good here. This is 5 feet. This would be, that's too skinny.
Yeah.
I don't like skinny slices.
No one likes a skinny slice.
So I think the 5 feet is going to be the call. Yeah, somewhere
Yeah,
in
okay.
here. Because I guess we'd still be able to use one sheet,
Yeah.
but we would have
There'd be a seam.
we would have a seam at 4 feet.
Yeah.
Right around there. That's not that big of a deal.
Yeah.
We'll just stick with this 5. We're just gonna eyeball this, all right? Okay. So this build is 100% with stuff we already have. We decided to do this pizza party just like last week. It's like, no, I'm just gonna make with what I have, including something that's already outside. Let's go check it out. Let's go get it. Don't look at the sun directly. Close your eyes. Let the sun hit your glasses so that the shades will, so safety glasses will turn into sunglasses. That's the cool thing about these glasses. They're ANSI rated.
I don't think I'm doing it right.
But they look darker.
Do they? Okay, because it doesn't change that much for me.
Yeah,
I can still see really good.
They're definitely darker.
I can still see great. So you're gonna scrap this?
So this is gonna be the pizza crust. We've had this forever. Nowhere really to put it other than here, and it doesn't really get skated that much. So it's like this will be the pizza crust.
Perfect.
Grab that in. Let's go back inside. All right. I think it'll be like this. I think we keep this tapered end so we can slap you onto it.
Oh, that is a good idea.
And then we'll just put a couple of bends in this to follow the radius of the pie. This is going to probably take some time, so we'll just use TV magic to finish this.
You see the vision?
What do you think?
It looks like a slice of pizza.
I think
really coming together.
I think this radius, how many bends did we do? 1, 2, 3 bends, and we just kind of eyeballed it, and I think
turned out good.
This is starting to look like a slice of pizza. Be able to board slide this and grind it.
Sweet.
Do all sorts of slides. And we'll just cut this. We'll cut it right here. There it goes. Ready? All right. Put it down and come grab this.
Okay. Side?
Yeah, you got it?
Yeah.
All right. It's all you.
That looks good.
All right. Hold it. Something like that. This is definitely not a straight cut, but it's okay because pizza's
never cut straight.
It's not
because you tore it with your hands.
Yeah. So let's make it realistic.
Yeah.
Now I'm just going to tack the corners to get it started. Come over here and just hold it like this with your wrist. Okay, don't let it fall. You are in complete control of this piece. It's day 2. The cousins are gone. I'm back on my own. Time to cut the plywood. We'll save this piece for later as a guide. We'll use this, put skate light, a small piece of skate light on top of it, and then we'll use that to know exactly where the cross beams need to go so that this stays flush with the grindable edge of the pizza. Hate dealing with wood. Have the cut in place to kind of match the coping, the crust. Now we'll just go underneath and mark where it needs to be cut underneath. Cool. Now we cut. cuts are done. One's straight, one's not. Cool. Yeah, it's cool. These safety glasses are nice because they turn into shades when you come outside, and then they get clear when you go back inside. I couldn't find Phillips head wood screws. All they had were flathead. These aren't the easiest to screw in because it ends up sliding out. They should make flathead screws illegal. Plywood is in. So now it's time to put the skate light on. And it looks like Josh is here. Yeah.
Bringing gifts.
Nice.
What's up, puppers?
What's up, bro?
How are you, man? Dude, what a beautiful day today, huh?
Yeah. Almost done putting the skate light in. Why don't you show us what you do and what you did?
All right, let's see if we can crack this open because, you know, no pizza slice is good without some extra pat.
I'll just hold this for you. It's a mic.
Oh, okay, cool. No, I'm sorry, you're probably gonna have to edit this. No slice of pizza is not. It's not proper without pepperonis.
Yeah.
It's not proper without pepperonis. Sorry. So let's see.
Oh, wow.
We got some pepperonis.
Sweet.
Straight out of the oven.
Oh, heck yeah. Blunt Steel logo, Pizzanista logo. Radical. Yeah, these are the perfect size. Can't wait to put them on.
Man. We got some sticks too, guys. These are fresh off the press.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Grind and dine. Sweet. This is skate light from the old Blunt Steel ramp. So these holes are already in place. I don't know if I'll be able to use them all, but I'm definitely going to need to add some. So get some of the oils off. Make sure there's a good bond with the paint. Pepperoni time. 8 pepperoni slices. They are basically big stickers, but just to make sure that they adhere to the substrate, we are going to use some spray adhesive just to make sure. Can you see that? Pizzanista pepperoni. Okay, spread them out. I think that's where they'll go, something like that. This is making me hungry. Pretty stoked on how it came out. I like it. Looks good. Now it's time to test. Is that where it's gonna live? I don't know. We don't want it to be in the way of this, the way of that. I think this is where it's gonna live. In the meantime, it's kind of out of the way of that curb, that quarter pipe, that rail, this curb. Some wax, just a little bit. Make sure the wheels slide through and the paint isn't too crazy. First grinds, that was cool. The crust has these little bends and you can totally feel it when you go through it. All right, there you have it. The blunt steel Pizzanista pepperoni pizza slice. It works just in time for tomorrow's grind and dine. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. There's gonna be some cool stuff that goes down on this and that and that and that and that. Should be fun. This one was fun. The next one will be fun. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks.